Improve your cardiovascular health and fitness with the Recovery Walking Treadmill. Mount and dismount comfortably on this treadmill by using the low-profile tread deck designed with your safety in mind. Perform walking or jogging workouts with a motor capable of increasing speeds up to 5 miles per hour. Reduce joint impact on the sizable tread deck with built-in shock absorption technology. Utilize the multi-grip handrails that sit along the top, middle, and sides of the low-deck treadmill for extra support. Increase or decrease your cadence with ease on the simplistic digital monitor, which enables users to track speed, workout time, distance, and calories burned. The sturdy design and construction allow this treadmill to support users up to 295 pounds in weight. Move this treadmill from room to room with the foot-mounted transportation wheels. Enjoy an effective workout experience with the Recovery Walking Treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Introducing the EXERPEUTC TF2000 Senior Fitness Walking Treadmill, designed to maximize safety, stability, and comfort, enabling senior to enjoy the benefits of exercise and fitness, walking from the comfort and convenience of home. Stepping onto the TF2000 is made easy thanks to its low deck height and foam-padded handrails that fully extend to the back of the treadmill. These handrails can be installed in both directions to accommodate wide and narrow grip preferences and are especially useful for supporting seniors during regular fitness walking. 50 inches long and 16 inches wide, the TF2000's deck features 10 extra reinforced shock-absorbing cushions to minimize knee and joint impact and is powered by a 1.5 horsepower high-torque motor. Through the use of Quiet Drive technology, the TF2000 remains quiet when in use, therefore enabling users to watch TV or listen to music as they walk. The TF2000 is engineered to handle up to 300 pounds of user weight and is equipped with an easy-to-read backlit LCD display. The control panel provides users with workout information, including time elapsed, distance walked, calories burned, speed, and heart pulse monitoring. Users can walk at a speed from 0.2 miles per hour up to 5 miles per hour. If you need a quick rest between sessions, simply step on the extended side platforms. Staying hydrated while exercising is easy with the TF2000, which provides 2 item holders for water and any accessory items you need to store while walking. For added safety, the TF2000 also features a safety clip that automatically shuts down the treadmill as well as a manual emergency stop button. In addition, 4 adjustable floor stabilizers will maintain the treadmill's stability and balance. Finally, the TF2000 is easy to relocate with its built-in transportation wheels. So, bring back your health and get active by fitness walking right in your own home with a specially designed treadmill, the TF2000 Senior Fitness Walking Treadmill by EXERPEUTC.